In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create fill-in-the-blank questions using Google Forms, and we'll aim to do this within just 5 minutes. Let's dive right in. First, open your web browser and go to Google Drive. If you're not familiar with Google Drive, it's a file storage and synchronization service where you can create and access documents like Google Forms. Once you're there, locate and click on the big blue button labeled New at the top left corner of the screen. After clicking, you'll see a drop-down menu. From here, select Google Forms. This will open a new tab with a blank form ready for you to customize. Starting with a blank form is usually the best approach, as it gives us a clean slate to work from. Next, you'll want to give your form a name. This helps to keep everything organized in your Google Drive and identifies it for those who are accessing it. Simply click on where it says Untitled Form at the top and enter a name that reflects the content or purpose of your form. Once that's done, click on the gear-shaped icon at the top of your screen to open Settings. In this menu, enable the option Make this a quiz. This feature is essential for creating questions where you can provide correct answers and assign points, which is exactly what we need for our fill-in-the-blank questions. Now navigate back to the Questions tab so we can begin populating your form with content. The key here is to have your questions prepared in advance. You can draft these questions within Google Docs, which allows you to refine your text before transferring it over. Copy your prepared questions from Google Docs and paste them directly into your Google form. For this type of interactive question, you'll need to change the question type from multiple choice to short answer. This allows your respondents to input their answers directly rather than selecting from multiple choices. Then in the answer key, you'll indicate the correct responses, select the right answer that you anticipate from your respondents, and don't forget to designate point values for each question. This is what will determine the quiz scoring. Adding answer feedback is another valuable step. By clicking Add Answer Feedback, you can provide additional guidance or corrections for those who get it wrong, or even an encouraging message for a correct response. Once you've drafted your feedback, make sure to click Save. When everything is set, click on Done to finalize your input. After reviewing your form, it's time to publish it. Click on Send at the top right of your screen to get the shareable link. You can now send this link to your intended audience, allowing them to fill in the blanks and submit their responses. And there you have it, your very own fill-in-the-blank quiz on Google Forms is ready to be shared. Thank you for joining me in this quick and straightforward tutorial. Happy form creating!